Hi, this is Isaura Fernandez from ATOMOS, and here we are at ISE, and we are showing here our Sumo and Ninja 5 as well. Sumo is here connected with to 4 SDI cameras through SDI, and with the connection we can just go into Sumo and can use the monitor, not only as a monitor but also as a switcher. We can just select which camera we want to record, or if we want to go in deep and see each camera, how it's working, and control the 4 cameras at the same time. This is a very good solution for controlling multicam scenarios, but also for meetings, interviews, and all these type of uses. Here we have the output, and we can see the camera that is outputting at the other side. And here we have the Ninja 5. Ninja 5 is a monitor recorder going on top of the mirrorless cameras, and it records 10 bits, 422, and you have all the monitoring functions here, and you can go in deep into more detailed the options that you want to change. So if you want to check out more our products, just go to atomos.com and just let us know if you need anything from us.